Hey friends, Kevin Ostie from the V8 Speed and Resto shop here in the middle of America on a beautiful summer night. Finally, it's hot outside, it's low 90s, sun is just starting to go down, end of June. I was able to finally get our 1962 Ford Galaxie convertible out, gave it a quick bath, and now I'm taking it for a spin. Went and got a sandwich. If you've heard us on the V8 Radio podcast, you know a saying that we like to say, and that is that old cars make new friends. And I literally spent the last half an hour in the sandwich shop chatting with people about cars they want to build, or look at this one, or stories about cool cars that they've had. It's a lot of fun. So if you're an antisocial person, don't get an old car. I'm on a road called Bluff Road. If you see this behind me, this is southern Illinois, the Mississippi River, right over there. And this road runs alongside the Mississippi for miles and miles and miles. Some of the most rich farmland in the world is right here in this little valley, and then there's a big bluff of stone and trees and all that to the side. But I'm just southeast of St. Louis in southern Illinois. Our shop is, I don't know, 25, 30 miles that way, the V8 Speed and Resto shop in beautiful Redbud, Illinois. Just wanted to share a fun night of being out and being a car guy. Hope you're having a good time with your old car and you get a chance to go out and enjoy it. Take advantage of those opportunities when you can, because they seem to come less and less, but I'm happy for this one. Thanks for hanging with us. See you next time.